what condition is my brother in? Okay. Is he going to really wear what I bought him? For people who are older, a lot of what I'm saying, and if you don't know what I'm saying, you need to keep watching the video. Is he going to recognize me? Because the sad truth is, people lose their memory over time, okay? Will he accept my help? And that's another big consideration too. This is deeper than you or me. And by sharing this story, this will help all of us because we all need to talk to someone. And I'm gonna maintain good speed. I'm at about almost at 70. This truck is driving 70 miles an hour, okay? And there's another semi-truck. So now, the gasoline truck the semi-truck is not even gonna move. This person in this Enclave or this Toyota better pick up. Come on, bro, what you doing? So that's hesitation. And they have to yield to me. But I'm not trying to have an accident. I'm trying to be safe and consistent. And remember, that semi-truck is doing, and it is what it is. I think truck drivers can only drive 65. But a gasoline tanker truck is dangerous when it's empty than full. So some of you are probably saying, what are you talking about, man? Or fumes inside the truck. Now, I'm gonna get over one lane to the left, and then I'm gonna try to stay here because if I get to the left lane, I'm gonna have to do 80, 100. It's not about this right now. Like that Charger GT, not a Scat Pack, not a Hellcat, but a GT. That's 400 horsepower. That's the Pentastar engine. It's all-wheel drive. That's a great beginner car. And if you make payments on time, you can trade it in for a Scat Pack. But be aware, when you upgrade, thieves are also upgraded, okay? So we're right about 75. I'm gonna stay here in the middle lane because I need time to reflect. What am I gonna say to my brother? Does he wanna go for a ride? Is he even there? Because he needs to be in a secure facility. And this is serious. So we're still maintaining about 70 miles an hour, calm and peaceful. And it does help when you talk to people, talking to you online, and just reflecting. But we all choose different pathways. I'm choosing a pathway to be an instructor, choosing a pathway to be an educator. They're not the most popular because they don't make a lot of money. You don't do it for the money, you do it for helping people. And a lot of times there's a lot of misconceptions. So taking time, having good space, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and change lanes. You saw me look over my blind spot to my left, and I'm gonna show you this front view. So here's what's going on. I need to pass this white car. Then when I see them in my mirror, this truck over here, this Silverado's definitely gonna come over. So I'm gonna stay here for a moment. I'm anticipating them getting over to the middle lane. And then what I'm gonna do is either get behind them or stay in this lane for now. I'm not holding up traffic. It is Thursday at 7:46 Eastern Standard Time. And then I'm looking for a blinker. I'm expecting a blinker from this person, but I'm looking ahead, no blinker. That could have easily have been an accident. So what I'm trying to do is stay out of the way of the Silverado, stay out of the way of the semi-truck, and just stay on my path. The I-94 interstate runs east and west through Michigan, Detroit, Michigan, through Chicago, Illinois, and then it turns into another expressway in Indiana. Taken this route before, and I'm really trying to maintain good speed, so I'm going to get over one lane to the right and just stay in this middle lane. I don't know what this guy's doing, but I'm going to get away from him. Okay, I'm going to stay. I'm being a defensive driver. We talked about this in my master class, the SIPED process, being a defensive driver, having an out. I don't want to be in a wolf pack of cars. I want to be safe.